Nana Ajwa Ewukubia Ekafimini Baviaba. Before I tell you whatever I'm here to tell you, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Now I face to say we share videos new, put your comments in the comment section. You know the comment section is for you guys. Commenting. Now delay, I'm still on delays issue because delay it didn't sit well with almost everybody on the internet. With the exception of the fans, and I said we the people that look up to her. Because Arnold Susu Akwakotina a year my sister FMB Akwako cancer simple say delay no one kasaye and all that. Now someone Arnold Kanina is because delay Eko can a brand say BBC and say why do these celebrities put their life out there? Na Ekamia say omuyesa omuma youth for no pressure. And as some mama use no pressure. We don't say I did our own person now just to get the money, just to get the fame, just to we were all here and a crappy polo did everything just to be noticed and just to get the attention of people or just to get fame. She went as far as say other intro to so Adam interview no at 2 last 2 weeks, right? And abe kubisa no yenim say also wa converted on ye Christian be she say Muslim now abe kubisa ne say and some now okato a year the late Ewache the actor Ewache may his soul rest in peace na say na ye offering answer and so kabi polo be can say Ewache ponu no person we punu ne ho nkone aba. Could you believe say on a 2 show no kabi polo can say that was a lie. Like for the ensure to our brand and so in Tembra or not just so compare he watched up and show it was too late, he was already dead. And I was like, why do these people do that? And see, some of them go as far as showing fake life. People went as far as saying say Instagram be a fake, and I think she's not the only person doing that. Like a lot of people show fake life. And see, no, if you are home, you think you are not doing anything for yourself. Not what pressure amount. Then the answer say when you are now just to get that particular things because you see them as idols, you see them as mentor, and see the only you want to get some. And to where and I really explain here trade say oh no, she's not that kind of person or top pressure yeah. She is the person who lives like a low-key life. Or cast in fact you not know say or cast. She doesn't Delay was just telling the youth that don't be pressured by people like that. And she went as far as saying, say, but Nisanya Manema, no more bat slaves, no in her. You might be a bit chum to stick to your true self. Now, wait and then after this statement, bloggers, no, me fellow bloggers. Now, where I'll say, delay shares Nanama McBrown, delay shares Nanama McBrown, delay mock Nanama McBrown, and see, hey, now when shall we don't win our money ho? Kisabekli win our money ho. Hey, Empress Gifty or Adoye, is she not there? So why are people tagging McBrown say delay is shading McBrown like delay has a problem with McBrown? And to weigh and Arnold and so I cover this particular topic, no say how say or no delay no. When you chance an opportunity to enlighten the youth, and delay wasn't supposed to share, she was supposed to answer the question because some people are giving close to where to showcase it. A brand deal. To me, I say, yes, me, advert, and I'm share the like I have to take a picture of it, post it. That's how some of the celebrities they make their money. So Arnold, maybe so do some of the celebrities make money by doing their bottoms and breasts? And faking houses and all. Do they make money by that? Like I don't want to talk much. Arnold Asamoah.
Then let me come to delay. Question now, gentleman, Bisano now bomb I respect the opinion or share was a program na say. But I nyame de bebre because now can me expect to say well fine it be a me expectation of course anything I make I say now can me expect to say based on question gentleman bisa no I could be taking advantage to actually educate gentleman no being maybe a channel as to how celebrity status, celebrity lifestyle, and in the entire creative industry, and how people like the gentleman who be a question perceive omono say erroneous so, and how he should now focus and look at how celebrity lifestyle nete. Based on the linear experience, the longevity in the industry, me expect a very profound answer. Answer not the man, for me, I felt it was a bit okay, but off. Say, oh, medium in count, okay. But see, I prove say entirely true on count. Number 2, so on the way generational builder, and they almost born same man, so why not on your generational builder? No, seriously. Why not on your generational builder? My parents, because I felt say it could have been better delivered. Because gentlemen, they say youth be are in a rush because of saying that celebrities need be air. Fine opportunity. So gentlemen, to anamo ya na say jina ye na nye sanete. Now church ni mu na church now they quickly now ka ho.
The razzmatazz of showbiz.
Exactly.
Most of unim say uniamba, even though it be more exaggerated. But there are some people who also
Yes.
Even if you get before I be do people who work no not. E binumu your mom tade mom fan showcase.
Yes.
The ambassadors for various.
Yes. It's Sanana may expect Sanka. That was a fine opportunity for her to actually so be a defied gentleman. So but before the gentleman be coffee, no good understands. Oh. So over the period, media me show we it's next sanity. I feel say delay is in the position to be a resource person based on your experience, the expertise we industry and in the our fame minimum depending on topic I may discuss. I can't look past delay as a resource person. About our industry mo pa into hot day. I don't know. And I mean share some particular partner work on. It's I can't address it. Maybe issue has to do with topic now there to journal. And I may say, based on question a gentleman may be beside the answers no and as an answer them a gentleman could have been a little different. And I may say you say or no day on count on young conform showcase almost have on social media and if the iPhone be the and I felt say she could have done better with the answering. See, somebody like Nanama McBrown. It is Nanama McBrown issue kissing it down in the car or social media. I don't see what is wrong with that because she's worked hard for it. Within the rights to actually showcase they were working hard for. Uncle J, if you've been sent by force. If me as a gentleman, make us listen. If you want to emulate Stanley Parkour, we are go back and do a research on maybe certificate. Any be what we do. It is all showcasing the car. It means what toilet and what winya. And if you see the question, so showcasing what on one case what toilet for. It is open so emulator. Then also go and learn, go and read about Stanley Parkour. That's what you're supposed to say. And then you also chip in like my colleagues Nakan. So there's a lot of fake delusion on social media as well. Sa education now man and have me. Into who can the way the A now who can A side now can B side. So by the time that the gentleman be confused, no why or your sound in his mind exactly what is okay. But as a we if you now do we be share bass na say for me I felt say holiday she could have done better.
So you're welcome back again to Xposed. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and then you click on the post notification bell so that you get a notified or you get notified whenever I post a new video. I'm hyped. I'm hyped because okay, I'll tell you guys tomorrow. Okay, and see after say delay so even who say Arnold you know delay is a classy savage big boss herself. She doesn't really I don't mean she doesn't say or reply to people's criticizing her. And yeah, she does it in a cute, nice way. I have to learn that from her. So like she came and she just did a video, no say, hey, this is the Ghana has say no, bro, for buy a shade. Say, so I see who shade you, who shade you be. So let's go and watch that video. So let's get and come.
Say Ghana has, bro, for about some shade. Okay, good morning, guys. Who to shade? Say Ghana has, bro, for about some shade. Okay, good morning, guys. Who to shade?
Once again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'm sure I'll bring you another video. I'll come and update you again about somebody else saying say delays particular statements we saw, because people haven't stopped. They haven't finished digesting that particular speech no come my program national. Meda sorry biana beautiful for ababetu with a different message. And see, you guys should be ready. I think I'll be bringing you more of delay these days. Now ebusan for ahasei and I'll be do ebesimi edi nana ajwa. My ajwa is the ADJOE. It's not the W. El Kubia. Please subscribe. Na fire number na best sponsor me. Peace.
Only for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodan na a dan and a wasiewie and a open chance in papa a day apostle and a dan with Timona since so to a nuno enuntia ma wona akwakoye bisi basa any name media sempa enam natural things e bie wo mo ensem e de amasa microphone nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo MMS so wo how no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo womo atum natural things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu de biara eda